The Kafan KF4211ZS-12A conveyor belt automatic sandblasting machine is a high-output automatic sandblasting machine. The rotatable spray gun accelerates the sandblasting speed while increasing the sandblasting area, providing a much more uniform sandblasting process. The speed of the conveyor belt can be finely adjusted, and the operation is very user-friendly. In addition, we can professionally customize the machine according to the characteristics of customer's workpiece for truly optimal performance and cost effectiveness. Our KF1212FTA dry sandblasting machine is equipped with a sand and dust separator, which can separate the abrasive effectively. Also, the dust collector is configured on the dry sandblasting machine to reduce the dust pollution. In addition, the design of the mobile turntable has greatly enhanced operator productivity for real cost savings and quality improvement. This product is ideal for sandblasting operations of larger molds or heavy work pieces. The Kafan KF1212W water sandblasting machine can be directly installed on the production line to complete the surface polishing process of various workpieces with different levels of precision. What's more, the abrasive can be recycled during the operational process, which not only saves resources, but also greatly reduces dust pollution, enhancing the worker's health. Kafan looks forward to creating strong, mutually beneficial business relationships with these visitors.